Hey guys, so it's Mia, of course. Thanks for tuning in to watch another video. So, I've been getting a question lately, on my Instagram, like, are you gonna do this tutorial for this look? Are you gonna do a tutorial for this look? Now, one of my looks I recently did with the purple lipstick, matte from Maybelline, and it was so pretty. It was like a nude type of purple kind of look, and it was my first time really using that color, especially with my skin tones. I wasn't sure if it was going to look right. Now the second look was yesterday. It was yellow eyeshadow with like a bit of orange, but mainly yellow and like a bit of gold. And I mixed it with a prism color and the new Anastasia, or the latest Anastasia palette that I know of anyways, that I have. And I was just going more for like a summer look. It's getting warmer outside, things like that. So since I have the time, of course, I haven't made a video in like a week or two, I'm gonna go ahead and do this tutorial. And yeah, so I hope you guys like it. I hope it turns out the way I did it the first time anyways. So yeah, okay, so I didn't really bring all of my makeup utensils out because I have a lot, so I just wanted to bring out the basic things that I did have when I did these looks. And the past 2 days I've been wearing these lashes. Now I don't know if you can see, obviously they've been used. You can see a little bit of the glue and some of the eyeshadow that was left on there. But yeah, a good way to take off that excess shadow and glue is makeup wipes or rose water. I would say alcohol, but I wouldn't recommend that. More just like makeup wipes, because I notice that when I do that, it does come off. It's just like wiping off glue from your eye, like excess glue from the lashes. And I have all my what am I trying to say here? My brushes are mainly in this corner over here is all my shadow brushes, and I have my eyebrow stuff going on right here. Now I use a mixture of this brand called Salon Perfect. I did get it at Walmart. I also mix it with the Anastasia Dip Brow because it is waterproof. So yes, and then today what I'm going to use, instead of my black eye glue, I'm going to use this Kiss. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this Kiss Strip Lash eye glue, and it's very easy to put on because it goes on like this. Now when you put it on the eyelash, the false eyelash itself, it turns blue, but when it dries on your eye, it's very clear. You don't see anything. Now because I already have this excess glue and shadow on the eyelash, I'm just going to use that. I'm going to actually take some of this off of the eyelash just so it doesn't look messy. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go ahead and do this first look, because the first look is really The first look is really simple and easy because it's not much eyeshadow that I put on. It was more like eyeshadow that I put on in the inner lids of my the inner corners of my eyelids is what I'm trying to say. And I used this Anastasia palette. Now, as I stated in one of my comments, I was going to shout out Robin. So, thanks to Robin, this is the look that I'm going to portray on today. So going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I have one of these small eyeshadow brushes. You know, pretty simple. I always use this one specifically for the inner corner of my eyes. It's just easier and it's not as harsh and doesn't get all into your eye. Because then you're stuck doing this or like trying to get it out, like, you know. So, yeah. So what I'm going to be using is, hold on, let me see if I can get some good lighting for you guys so you can see. It's this external and prism that I'm going to be using. So this one and this one on my inner corner eyes because it makes it glow. And I really wasn't trying to go all out for that day. I just wanted to do something simple, so like that was pretty much it. The only thing that was like boom popping was the lipstick that I had, and that was matte from Maybelline, just in case you guys wanted to know. And so I'm first going to go in with the corner eye with Prism. I'm not even using my mirror. I just realized this. I'm usually using my mirror when I put this on, but I'm just looking into the camera. I'm just going to turn my music up while I do this, so I don't have to really have background music the whole time. This is Georgia Smith, if you guys didn't know. So I just went from the pyramid. Now I'm going to the I kept saying external, but it's actually eternal, which is the color that I'm using right now to like mix these colors. Let me turn. I don't know if you heard me because the advertisement was on. I have Pandora playing in the background, but I used pyramid first in this palette, and then eternal instead of external. I don't know why I was just saying internal or external. Gosh darn it, now I'm mixing them up. But yeah, just going back with a little bit of pyramid to brighten it, you know, because the external is a little bit more like, it's not necessarily gold, but it's more like a burnt orange. So yeah. And then also with that look, I had false freckles. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have like a few dots here. These are pretty much basic. So I use like kind of like I just usually I use this long wear gel eyeliner. It's dark brown. I usually use that and go in with it with a pencil and just dot it on my cheeks here and on my nose. And then other times I use this waterproof eyeliner, which is kind of crazy, but that's what I used on my most recent pictures, and it came out great because obviously it doesn't smear. And so I already did these ones, which are kind of like really noticeable, but I do this one with this because it's like really small and tiny, and my camera's not trying to focus in. Anyway, I guess I just have to show you what I mean. So this is what it looks like. And sometimes, depending on the matte lipstick that I have, I might outline my lips before putting the matte lipstick on itself. So your girl is done. This is a shirt I was talking about. It's like acid rap. Chance the Rapper. Okay. Did I get? Oh, I thought I had got lipstick on my tongue. Anyways, but yes, guys. What I used for my false freckles, which don't look too bad actually, is this L'Oreal waterproof Oh my gosh. Come on. Focus in. Focus in. Focus in. Okay, since this isn't trying to focus in, are you gonna focus in or not? Okay, this is annoying. Anyways, you guys get what I'm saying here. This is the first look, and I never did a wig review before, but yes, this is a wig. As you guys know on my other videos, my hair is a little bit shorter than this. I had got it cut not too long ago, so I'm just growing my hair out by wearing wigs. I might get braids, like the little singles or whatever soon. But one thing about eyelashes too, now that I keep looking at my own eyelashes, always put mascara on before putting eyelashes on. That is a must. And I don't have much mascara on at the bottom because today I just only wore mascara. I didn't wear eyelashes, obviously. Because I was kind of looking forward to doing a tutorial later on today if I had time. And so yes, that's what I wanted to say. But I used a little bit more mascara obviously when I did the look on my Instagram photo, and I actually might post that photo here on my video so you guys can see what it is exactly that I'm talking about. That way you're not sitting there like clueless, like what is she talking about. But if you are not already following me on Instagram, follow me at TA_MIEA. Tamia is my name, but I go by Mia because that's what they call me. So anyways guys, that's this look for today. I will do another tutorial soon on one of the other looks that I've done, probably the summer one, the yellow and orange one that I did yesterday, or even the one I did last week when I had the denim long sleeve on with the blue and the purple, and I kind of mixed it in. So if you guys want me to do any of those makeup looks and do a tutorial, or even just have any ideas and you guys want me to like try it and show you guys or whatever, put it down in the comments below and I will get back to you. Yes. So please like and describe. Oh, subscribe guys. Like and subscribe. Subscribe please. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, y'all.